My name's Debbie Barnes and I've been with Schwartz for 5 years come February. I work off work orders. I support the sales team, and when I get work orders I split them out, and if I pull the parts and I take the parts where they need to go, either weld or assembly. And then it's like putting a puzzle together. When I get all the pieces back, I make sure all the pieces are right, that fit together, and then I take it out to assembly, have them make it, and then I ship it out the door. Oh yeah, very good culture. Everybody seems to get along good. Being a female in a predominant all-male industry, I have no problem whatsoever. I interact with the whole floor on a daily basis and never had an issue. I would encourage anybody. There's a lot of opportunities in manufacturing for women. I think we have a different perspective on things. We have more attention to detail. And I think that the male population don't see those little things that the women can contribute. I think longevity. Schwartz has been around for a while, and I think with the product they build, its quality, and everybody needs a street sweeper. And you know, the backlog is good, so we know that there's going to be jobs for a while.